do you guys like Brett? I like Brett. And they even have an animation over here from a few months ago. I never watched this because I never looked at their Twitter, to be honest. Brett has like 10,000 more followers on Twitter, or X now, than Dogwith have. And I'm pretty sure with Base being one of the hype chains right now, this can easily surpass Dogwith at. I said in my last video, which I recorded like 6 minutes ago, that Dogwith had reaches 10 to 15 billion this cycle, especially when Bitcoin is at 100k. But I think Brett is going to go even higher. There's going to be a Coinbase airdrop happening soon for Base as a whole ecosystem. This is the biggest name on Base. And once more people join this network, this will go up parabolic. Also, in the past day, we are up 7% for down 50 in the past week. But in the past month, though, this, we're only down 8.5% in the past month. If we look at the entire market, even Bitcoin in the past month performed worse. Brett is more stable than Bitcoin. Usually, everything is based on Bitcoin, and Brett is pretty much debased despite being based. Here's what I mean. Usually, market does the same thing as Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the entire market. If Bitcoin goes down, everything else goes down by a bigger percentage than Bitcoin. Meme coins are outliers in that case. And Brett is the biggest outlier for that, especially at the market cap of 1.2 billion or last month, 1.3, 1.4. We have an all-time high of less than 2 billion, and I'm pretty sure whenever there's a newer meme coin, I mean this one launched around end of March, start of April, and it has been growing since, then this can easily be the best pick for a meme coin this cycle. Now I have money in here, of course, because I like Brett. It's a blue, yeah, this one. Wow. And it's a legendary character from Matt Fury's Boys Club comic. He's become the blue mascot of the blue chain. It's as simple as it gets. You go on the website, it tells you exactly that. It's Brett, Pepe's best friend on Base. Now Pepe, not the biggest fan, but it's still one of the biggest meme coins, I think number 3 so far, next to Doge of Shiba, and it's at $4 billion. So, once Base becomes more and more popular, which it does right now, next to all these Solana meme coins, then this can, for sure, go to like 10, 20, even 25 billion this cycle. I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin hits 150k and this at 30 to 40 billion itself, and then surpasses things like USDC. Probably not, but XRP sucks dick, nobody likes the shit. Tom is going to be up there. Dogecoin is boring. Cardano is gay. Tron, nobody... I mean, you use the Tron ecosystem, TRC20, but you don't use Tron, do you? How many people do you know that walk around and say, oh yeah, I use Polkadot? Nobody. Not a single person. But people use Brett. Spread's funny. See? He's blue. Basics of Brett. Buy Brett on Coinbase. You should. I think Brett will be only the best performing coin this cycle for anything that is above $500 million. Reason being, if you simply go down and you click on like page 100 and you say, well, Raft Nervous Network, that's at 250k, this can outperform Brett. Yeah, of course. If this goes to 2.5 million, it outperforms pretty much everything this whole cycle. But what the fuck is this? You know, that's what we gotta keep in mind. We won't get the highest return on investment on Brett, but the highest possible for something in the top 50 is what I would say. Maybe IMX when gaming becomes way more adapted. That could do maybe a 10, 15x. Dog could head as well, Injective maybe. Or for anything else in the top 50, pretty sure the only one that can do a clear 10, 20x are things like Beam and Mantra that are based on like real world assets and actual gaming, you know, that kind of outperform the market, and then despite they did recover a lot faster, or things that are funny. And Brett is funny. Everybody likes funny money. See, it even rhymes. Funny money. Give me your money. Put it in Brett. Hummy. I'm a rapper. Put your money in here. It's one of the safest bets. But if you want to add the funny coins, put your money into Brett, but it's also a safe bet. You know it's financial advice. I am smarter than you, and I'm right. As a general advice when it comes to crypto, especially in meme coins, always take a trading pair or take the contract address and go to a site like Bex Tools or Dex Screener and look up how things perform. You can see real-life data for absolutely everything. Let's say, for example, you want to have a little pump on Solana and you want to look into the different details. So you can see the market cap of 1.5 mil on the right-hand side, the liquidity, the performance over the past 24 hours, 6 hours, 1 hour for this 5 minutes, every single transaction down here for how much money people bought this for. This looks like a giant bot, by the way. If 20 seconds ago. Everybody bought this for like 1 cent, but whatever. It is additional volume when it comes to this. Maybe it just boosts the token up here. You never know. Most of the time when things are trending, it's probably too late to get in because they have the initial run up and then you're just being exited with a deep, but it's still a good way to look for things. Option number 2 is if you're into things that are launching right now, go on to Pink Sale and then select your chain in the top right where you can use, you can connect your Phantom for Solana. You can use the one in Smart Chain. There are lots of different coins that are launching every single day. We can participate in the pre-sale. You see the current amount of money that is in there, the hard cap, the soft cap, all the details we know. And then once the token is live, you can claim it, it gets deposited into your wallet, and you can start trading, which also can mean that you will most likely lose your money, as that is what is happening fairly often. But then again, you could also hit a home run, and you could also hit this at a $100,000 market cap, and then get like a 50x in yield that goes to 5 million. It's all random, but those are 2 sites that I personally use.